Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. The topic is different and same. Different things and same things. There are four flags of Pakistan and one flag of India. We have to circle the same things. Flags of Pakistan are same, so we have to circle them. Cross the flower that is different, that is not match with the other flowers. There are clouds and rain, so we have to circle the same things. One is different here and we have to circle the same thing. Cross the object that is different one. So rooster is different object. Circle the same thing. Snowmen are same and the fire is different. Cross the object that is different, that is not match with the group. Circle the objects that are same. Cross the object that is different one. The mouse is different. It does not match with rabbits. Circle the things that are same. The trophies, the cups are same, so circle them. Cross the object that is different one. The scorpion is different object. Circle the pins that are same. Cross the object that is different one, that is not match with others. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.